Good morning from Norfolk. Looks as if we've got a bit of blue sky. It's a good sign for this morning. Good morning from Sheringham in Norfolk. Got a little map of Sheringham as well. Park the car up. It's a Saturday morning. We're going to explore Sheringham and do some coastal walking. If you can hear me, you can hear the sound of the sea crashing against the stones. So hopefully you can hear me. So we're in Norfolk for the week to explore the area and some of the coastline as well. And we're starting our day in Sheringham, which is one of the coastal towns in Norfolk. And we haven't been to the seaside for as long as I can remember. It's really nice to be at the seaside in October. Just hear the sound of the waves crashing. It's just lovely. Yeah. This is a brilliant mural. Absolutely superb. Deck chairs for hire. Not today. Like the art trail. Brilliant. This gun was used for coastal defence, possibly at the same time as the Spanish Armada. And what's the name of this road I'm on? Gun Street. Very apt. This reminds me of a certain blue box. We've come down from along the top. Don't want to watch them play golf anymore. And now enjoying the beach. Nice. Stunning. think it's hot water beach? Do you want to paddle? I know. Now walking back into Sheringham. Really nice walk. I've just got to avoid things like this. Don't fall in.
Pretty with the sun out.
Yeah, very pretty with the sun out. It's gorgeous. Just thought we'd grab a bench for a while and enjoy the late afternoon views of Sheringham. And the odd dog barking as well. Gorgeous. That is nice.
So, this is where we're staying. Rather a grand driveway. Has anyone seen Ghosts? Great comedy show. Field Darling. Field Darling. Here we are. Our little cottage. It's amazing, isn't it? And now we turn right. This is where we're staying. Yeah. This is our little house. Isn't it lovely? Bed, living room, kitchen. It's got underfloor heating and it was absolutely baking yesterday. Table and chairs, watch the sunset. So we're not staying in the big haunted house. With the big haunted tree. We're just staying in here. Cosy.